Hey there guys, I got a master padlock here. I believe it's a 573 PDF. It's camouflaged on the bow of the keyway. There's numbers on it. It's 0444. It's just a standard key. Package on that came with the lock says it's a K1, but I think it's an M1. Here's a look at the key bitting. And there's no security pins in it. Should be able to pick it open fairly easy. There it is, open. Like I said, it's a fairly easy lock. There's no security pins. Just look at the key bitting. Just look at the keyway. It's just a pin tumbler lock. And there it is, picked open. Nice little lock. As always, have a good one. Okay.